Okay, we're doing our guided practice. This is lesson 115A. And we're going to go ahead and get started with our story. Mrs. Anastasio has a bag of 21 cookies. She wants to give each child 3 cookies. How many children can have cookies? Okay, so it looks like we have a bag of 21 cookies. So we start with 21. She wants to give each child 3 cookies. So we're going to divide. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So how many children can have cookies? 7 children. Okay, so you're going to need a ruler, some type of measuring, because you guys need to measure this. And I'm going to give you a chance to do it first, and then I'm just going to go ahead and write down what you should have gotten. And you're using millimeters. Now remember, millimeters, you have to flip it over to the centimeter side, and it's those spaces between each centimeter. You ready? Okay, so go ahead and measure these with millimeters. All right, so here's what you should have gotten. Up here, you should have gotten 20 millimeters. And here, we should have gotten 42 millimeters. And over here, we should have gotten 41 millimeters. And how about down there? You should have gotten 30 millimeters. Now, if you got some weird numbers that don't even match that, check to make sure you're using the millimeters. You're not using the inch side. You flipped it over to the centimeter side and using those little spaces in between each centimeter. Those are the millimeters. So now what we're going to do is we're going to write a number sentence because we need to find out what is the perimeter. And remember, the perimeter is all of these together, okay? So we're going to add 41 plus 42 plus 20 plus 30. Okay? And your answer should be about 133 millimeters. Okay, for step 3, it says write an R inside the right angles. All right, so we talked about that. So we know that the right angle is going to be, there's one up here and there's one up here, right angles. All right, so use the trapezoid in problem 2. Trace a pair of perpendicular line segments using a green crayon. Write an A inside the acute triangle. Okay, perpendicular. Again, what makes an L shape, okay? So you could trace up here, or you could trace these two, okay? Now it says write an A inside the acute angle. Remember, it's a small little angle, it's not very wide, and that'll be right here. It's small little, it's not wide, it's skinny. Circle the number sentence that matches this picture. Okay, well, I see that we have 2 groups, and each side, the groups, I see that there are 9, and I know there's 18 of these all together, so 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Okay, the movie began at 6:45 in the evening. It's a 2-hour movie. Use digits to write the time the movie will end. All right, so 6:45, that would be 6:45. plus 7:45, that's 1 hour. 1 more hour, that would be 8:45. And that would be p.m. Stephen wants to buy a shirt for $8.53 and pants for $23.28. Circle the best estimate of how much Stephen will spend. All right, so let's think about this. 8:53, we can round that up to about 9. Pants for 23, that'd be 23 plus 9. Let's see. That would be close to $30, wouldn't it? It would be close to 30. Okay, find the exact cost. So with that, we're going to add. Okay, we're going to add 23.28 plus 8.53. Okay, we're going to add those together. And we know that 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. And we have the exact cost of $31.81. Now it says write this amount as you would on a check. Okay, so we're going to write 31 and 81 cents. Okay, all right, you guys. Good luck on your math. Turn in your homework, please.